So today I'll be talking about what I learned in environmental sciences as a social pursuit. Starting off with chapter 1, I think that was a pretty important chapter for me personally because it kind of goes over the importance of what an ecosystem is, kind of the definition of an environment, along with kind of the resources an environment provides, such as sustainability, natural capital, ecosystem services, or even natural resources. And to me, I think that's kind of a big aspect of what environmental science is because what people get out of the environment is kind of a big deal, in my opinion. And to go along with that, kind of people and environment, we also kind of learned about a niche ecosystem and what it was kind of in real life as well. And I think that's also an important thing to know for natural resource management. And then going on to chapter 2, I think that's kind of also a good building block for natural resource management, kind of starting off at like the bottom to what really makes an ecosystem, kind of like the atoms, the matter, kind of life itself, scientific method almost. And so that's kind of a big deal, learning about the building block for life. It's kind of an important aspect if you really want to understand how an environment works, to understand eventually where the life came from. And then so for the next one, I think it's also very important. Just kind of learn about life itself, and just exactly what kind of different biospheres and rewilding. Those are some two important things I remember. And kind of learning from that is exactly how life functions on planet Earth and the different kind of levels to each environment and the animals, plant life, and just life in general in each environment. Such as, you see things like atmosphere, hydrosphere, geosphere, biosphere. And then you kind of look at the food web, the food chain, how energy is transmitted in these environments. I mean, here's another thing, nutrient cycle, very important stuff, I believe, in an environmental aspect. And then going on to chapter 4 and 5, I think this one is a very good one. Kind of learning about how species not communicate, but work with each other in an environment, such as, mutualism or parasitism, kind of learning that functionality of each environment and the population that is within those environments. And I think all this stuff kind of put together helps me understand that an environment can be defined as many different things, and it functions through the life that's within it and each role that each component has in that environment.